Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this updated guide, Delete Screenshots on Android, I'll walk you through the easiest way to remove those extra screenshots you no longer need. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Gallery app. You can find it either on your home screen or by scrolling through your app's drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Gallery, look at the menu where all your photos and videos are shown. Tap on the Albums tab at the bottom, and from there, find and tap on the Screenshots album to open it. Step 3. Now you'll see a list of all the screenshots saved on your phone. To delete one, just tap and hold it. If you want to delete more than one at a time, simply tap on the others you want to remove while still in selection mode. Step 4. After selecting the screenshots you want to delete, look towards the bottom of your screen and find the Delete button. Tap on it, confirm your choice, and your screenshots will be removed from the album. But they're not gone permanently just yet. Step 5. To completely delete them, go back to the main screen of your gallery. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom and select the Trash or Recently Deleted option. This is where your deleted files are stored temporarily. Step 6. Inside the Trash section, tap the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the Empty option. Confirm your choice, and your screenshots will be permanently deleted from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.